Hello.
Double that 6 spoon.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Good. What's this? This?
This is orange.
Good. What do you see?
I see one umbrella.
Perfect. What's this?
This is a pig.
Pig. What's this?
This is a ear.
Ear. Okay. What's this?
This is a hand.
Good. What do you see?
I see one rectangle.
Perfect. One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Okay. What's this? This.
This is a map.
Amazing. What's this?
This is a pencil.
What do you see?
I see one moon.
Okay. What's this?
This is a heart.
Good. What do you see?
I see one triangle.
Perfect. Okay. What's this?
This is a toy.
This is toys. Good. Who's this?
This is a ring.
Perfect. Okay. One more. What's this?
This is a diamond.
All right. And this. What's this?
This is a bell.
Good. What do you see?
I see one rabbit.
Perfect. Thank you.